This time on the home cast iron chef. Burgers on the grill, flat top with that nice juicy sear, or do you like that charcoal with that smoky flavor? Let's do both. Come on, baby, light my fire. Preheated cast iron. Got blood coming up top there? That's how I know that it's time to flip. One smooth scoop and turn. Now on a buttered griddle, I'm going to add my bread and cheese. Let that grill up. Now my burger's done. Let's get underneath it and give it a final flip. Look at that char. That's gorgeous. All right, little bump. Not a press, just a bump. Just want to get that hot for the cheese. All right, we've got our patty on. Now we're just going to carefully fold over the top. We'll just get a little more toast on that bread. Cut in half and served with some charred taters. Smash that like button and give me a comment. Tell me what you think.